Good evening, traders. Joseph here from Eightcap. So a very quick market run around today. We just want to have a look at some of the markets after yesterday's strong reversal in the USD, and we saw some very strong moves on stock indices, especially the US 30, after the Fed came through with a message saying that we could see smaller interest rates basically starting from December, and this definitely did boost risk markets. So one of the keys we are looking at the moment is we really want to see the US dollar, for instance, break through this area here. We've seen a lot of support and a lot of demand, and it is discontinued for a fair period of time now, all the way down. It's down to that 105.20 area. We want to see the dollar break that area. If we do see a break there, that definitely could start to tell us that this downtrend is looking to make a new leg lower. But for instance, for the time being, we've seen a lot of resistance and a lot of demand from buyers down at that 105.20 point. So we do want to see that area broken to really show the trends back on track for the bears. Now, we want to just have a look at a couple markets. We're not going to be too long today. The US 30 definitely grabs our attention. We can see that market has been moving up quite nicely, and we've seen our latest high low and our latest breakout yesterday. So from here, we have seen a close above the August highs, and we want to see now if we do see a new move lower, if we do see another push higher, continuing this trend that we have been seeing since really from the 13th to the 10th this year. And we want to see if this trend is going to continue, and we've got the right breakout bar right now, but we want to see further evidence from buyers saying that this is going to be a new extension higher. So a break above yesterday's high at 34,600 to 611, followed with a close above that area would be a good starting point. If we do see a move down that closes back below that 34.5 area, that could be a bit of a worry. So we do want to see buyers continue to feed off this momentum yesterday. So now quickly, we're just going to touch on gold, and we can see that, like with other risk markets to the dollar, we have seen strong move higher. This week has been a solid week so far for gold. We've seen a move today that's gone up and tested that 1783 point, but we've seen a bit of a pullback. We do want to see if gold can continue to push higher and break that high that was set back on the 15th of the 11th, and a close above that point will signal to us that yes, this continuation is going higher, and that we do have a new higher high, showing that buyers remain in control. We'd like to see a break of that area. Step one has been done. We had that small high low and a break of this range with the bar the previous earlier in the week, but now we want to see that follow through, breaking above that high, putting us into a new higher high, and that will complete that pattern of a high low and a high high, showing that this trend is continuing to the upside. So finally, we just want to touch on the German 30. So the German 30, like other indexes yesterday, rallied higher. We saw a small move up today that tested just above that 14,600 area. We do have a lot of resistance up at that 14,615, and we have seen a pullback at this stage. We are wondering now if this resistance from really that 14,576 area up to that 14,615 area, if that's going to prove to be too much for buyers on the short term, if we do continue to see a consolidation. So we have that nice 2-bar move up, but we want to see that follow through now, like we've just been discussing on the US 30, and more so with the German 30, we really want to see a break and close above that 14,615, just to show the buyers are in control and this trend is going to continue. So quite a few interesting things to keep an eye on at the moment from a technical perspective, and we will continue to focus on some of those aspects. Obviously, I haven't touched on risk majors to the US dollar. There's been some good gains there. We want to keep it a little bit simple. So definitely tomorrow night / Saturday mornings, non-farm payrolls could be quite interesting, and we want to see if that does help to continue to propel these new fightbacks we're seeing from buyers and continue this momentum that we're seeing from risk markets, and hopefully it will. We do want to see some of these trends continue. If they don't, then we'll look for further evidence if there are going to be short-term changes in momentum or something further. So definitely check out the non-farm payrolls. It comes out at 12:30 a.m. Saturday morning on tomorrow, and we will do a bit of a cover of that in the weekly wrap in tomorrow as well. So thank you very much for your time this evening. We hope you have a fantastic day wherever you are, and please subscribe if you'd like to keep up to date with all our latest reports that are coming out. We wish you good trading for the rest of the day. Thanks again, and bye for now.